If you install a new DaVinci Resolve 20 on your Windows PC and you're getting a configuration, a GPU configuration error, like you'll see in a moment here that I will resolve, I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how to actually fix this. So let me go ahead and show you here. So as you can see, I'm loading the DaVinci Resolve in 20 here, guys, and you can see that I get this GPU configuration warning. All you have to do is either do two things: update your NVIDIA drivers or simple click on configuration here and update it. You want to click on the memory and GPU, and you want to uncheck this GPU mode here. So you have GPU processing, just simply uncheck this box here, click on save, restart your DaVinci, and you will see that it will work without any issues. So let me go ahead and show you in a couple of seconds that it's going to work. And so you can go ahead and you can follow these steps that I'm about to share. And here you can see that my DaVinci is currently loading, guys. So you will see that in a couple of seconds that it will work without no issues. And there you have it. DaVinci loads. I can go ahead and I can open up whatever project I'm working on, work on them as normal. And that's it.